In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects with Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to create a workspace, set up a board, organize your groups, and use search, filters, sorting, and grouping to keep projects on track. Start on your Monday.com home. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and open Workspaces. A workspace is like a container for related boards, so it's a good idea to keep teams or initiatives separated here for clarity. Open the workspace you want to use, or create a new one if you're starting fresh by selecting Add Workspace. Inside your chosen workspace, hit the plus icon to create something new, then choose Board. A board is where your actual projects and tasks live, so give it a clear, descriptive name that your team will recognize at a glance. Next, choose the privacy level. Public means everyone in your account can see it, private limits access to invited members, and shareable is great for collaborating with external partners. Pick the option that matches your security and collaboration needs. You'll also be asked what you're managing on this board. Select the closest match so Monday can suggest helpful templates and columns tailored to your workflow. When that looks good, click Create Board. On your new board, update the first group title to match your phases or categories, like Backlog, In Progress, or Completed. If you need more sections, add a new group so each stage of your process is easy to scan and manage. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find items by keyword. This is great when boards get busy and you need to jump straight to a specific task. To assign ownership, click the Person column and add the appropriate teammate. Clear ownership keeps work moving and prevents tasks from getting stuck. From here, make the most of filtering. Click Filter and choose the columns you want to narrow down by, such as group, name, person, status, or date. For example, filter by status to see only items that are stuck, or by person to focus on someone's workload. Once filtered, you can sort your view to bring the most relevant items to the top, like sorting by date to see what's due soonest. Finally, use Group By to dynamically group items based on a column, such as status or person. This makes patterns obvious, like where work is concentrated or which stage has the most items, so you can act quickly. That's it. With a clear workspace, a well-named board, organized groups, and smart use of search, filters, sorting, and grouping, you'll manage projects in Monday.com with confidence and clarity.